Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Carlo here, and I'm with my good friend Ison.
Hello everyone.
From Hungry Geeks. Make sure that you guys check his YouTube channel out as well as his site. I will put the link down below. Today is a first for this channel. We're actually going to unbox a mystery box from Jollibee. Oh, diba? Jollibee. Woohoo! So my first ever mystery box from Jollibee.
Ano ba nakalagay?
So it says here, Jolly Hot Dog, Todo Clingy, Barkada Kit. Let's go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because at the very end of this vlog, we're actually going to announce a giveaway for Ison. Ilabas ang ating boom! 3 Jollibee Funko Pops. So we have
Wait,
2 3 Jollibee. Itaas mo na lang.
Okay.
Ayan, 3 Jollibee Funko Pops. We have the one in Barong and 2 standard Jollibee Pops. So make sure that you guys subscribe
Very rare.
and watch until the very end of the vlog so you can see how you can win one of the 3 Jollibee Funko Pops. Okay guys, so let's get to the unboxing. So as you guys can see, it comes in this massive red box. We have no idea what's inside, no?
Yep, we haven't opened it.
I haven't opened it myself. I haven't peeked inside, but obviously, just like the Jolly Hot Dog, Nax Jollibee, baka naman, saksakan ng sarap tong nasa loob. Ano ba? Todo something.
Ano
naman?
Todo clingy.
Ayun, todo clingy. So, buksan na natin yung box. So, let's pop it open first so they can see generally what's inside. Oh, yun, daming laman.
Wow.
Parang toppings ng Jollibee hotdog. Okay, game. So, tingnan natin kung ano. So, there's a card. Okay, guys, let's go at it. So, we have, wow, ang daming laman.
Ang dami nga eh.
So, let's start with the gaming stuff. So, ano ba tawag mo dito?
The Magic 8 Ball.
The Magic 8 Ball. So, ano Ison gusto mong tanungin? Magtanong ka.
Mananalo ba ako sa loto?
Mananalo ba si Ison sa loto? Let's take a look at the answer. Ano nakalagay? Wala siya sagot. Ayun. Focus and ask again. In short, wala kang pag-asa. Ako naman magtatanong, ano ang maganda? Ikaw mananalo ka sa loto. Ako naman, ang tanong ko, tatakbo ba akong senador someday? Tignan natin. Ang sabi ni Magic 8 Ball, you can count on it.
Iba.
Senator Carlo Ople. Okay, tabi na natin yan. Apart from that, we also have, ano ba naman ito? Ay, nako. This is one of the funnest games that you guys can play. Naalala mo ba to?
Oo, Jenga. Grabe.
So, Jenga. So, it's one of the nicer barkada games.
So, yun yung babawasan mo isa-isa yung
Mga stick, di ba? Hindi siya mahulog.
per turn.
Per turn. By the way, guys, ano lang, no, life tip, hindi lahat ng games kailangan digital, no? So if you wanna have fun with your friends, a good option is actually just by playing
Or interact.
or board games like this one, di ba? Or Jenga. So that's the next item on our mystery box. So, dami niyang laman, ha? In fairness sa kanya.
Jump pack.
Oh, magsuot ka naman ng may shade siya.
May
Ayan,
shade.
magsuot ka ng shades. Kahit hindi kasya sa akin to, suot ko. So, meron siyang 3 shades. So, di ko alam kung kasya sa akin to, pero isusot ko siya. Boom! O, di ba? Ano gusto mo? Ito, ako mas gusto ko to eh. Tapos, apart from the shades, meron din tayong Jollibee bandana. Well, it's normal bandana.
Well, pambarkada nga, so dapat pantantlukan.
Ay, wala si Colin eh.
Oo nga eh.
Wala si Hype Geek. Wala si Mr. Hype Geek. Ano ba to? Hindi kasya sa neck ko to eh. Ganyan na lang siya. Oh. Ganun.
Teka lang. Ganito ba to?
Ewan ko.
Ano na, baliktad?
Ayan.
So para siyang mini team building na bandana.
Okay, para chef's hat.
Oo.
So, ayan guys. Okay, so what else is here? We have like a lot of really fun emojis. So, kung gusto mo mag-flat lay, pwede tayo mag-flat lay with hotdog.
May smiley, may shock. Ano yan?
May starstruck, may puso. We also have like socks in different sizes. So, of course, the stripes reminds me of Jollibee, di ba?
Yes.
So, parang medyo feel niya. O, ayan, meron ka isa, meron ako isa. Colin, papadala namin sa ito. So, there are 3 pairs of socks. We also, oh, nice! Di natin ito nakita.
Long time no see.
Monopoly, property trading game from Parker Brothers Mini Edition. So, this is a really fun board game. If you guys haven't tried it out yet, check it out. Sobrang fun to play, easy to play. Monopoly. Okay, what's next?
3 cellphone pouch.
3 cellphone pouches. So obviously, all of us bring gadgets these days. Very important. Uy, may gadget!
Uy, ano to?
May
disposable
gadget.
camera.
Wait. Kailangan na. Guys, we have a tech unboxing in the middle of our Jollibee mystery box.
Ano pa ba?
Wala na. Uy, in fairness ha.
Uy, nostalgic.
Meron tayong camera. Hindi to pwede pang vlog.
Hindi.
Pero it's a Fuji color, ano ba tawag siya? Fuji film
Compact.
Simple Ace. So it has, I don't know, does it work?
So, di ba ito yung luma na, oh yeah, meron pa siyang, may flash po.
May film na siya?
Dapat meron. So, one, di ba iikot mo? Oh, meron nga.
Oh, picture mo ako, picture mo.
No, one, no, wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
In fairness, gumagana. Eh, saan lalabas yan?
Well, pag natapos na yung film, saka siya magre-rewind mag-isa.
Hindi,
Tapos papadevelop pa siya.
Papadevelop.
Oo, kasi disposable camera siya.
Buti pa ang film na de-develop, no? Ay. Actually, ito na yung pinakamasaya. Meron tayong Jollibee GC. Di ba? Goodbye diet. Masarap pa man din ang Chicken Joy tsaka ang Jolly Hotdog. So guys, that's actually it for our first ever Jollibee Mystery Box. And to celebrate our mystery box, Ison, ilabas.
Wait lang po.
Kailangan natin ilabas. So nag-effort kami. Meron kami dito Jolly Hotdog. So guys, this is also my second or first mukbang. So kakain kami ni Ison. Kung nanonood kayo and you guys, if you guys are hungry, please pause the video first. Get some food, no?
At makisabay kayo.
Makisabay kayo sa amin. So pause nyo muna. Pause. Tapos come back when you have food. Get chips, get water, get whatever it is that you guys have and eat with us. So we have the Jolly Hotdog over here.
Oh, maapon.
Panalo. Tignan nyo yan. Kung di ka ba naman magutom, titigan mo lang yan, Ison. Umaapaw, di ba? Anong paborito mo dito sa Jolly Hotdog? Ano yung pinaka-gusto mo sa kanya?
Ako? Siya lang yung unique talaga eh.
Yung lasa, no?
Oo.
Kakaiba eh. Ako, it's the blend of the quality of the hotdog plus the cheese toppings talaga. Tsaka yung bun, okay din yung bun eh. Ano? Guys, pwede na ba akong maging food vlogger? Let me know in the description box. In the comment box pala, description box.
Description.
Labo. Ano, sarap.
Iba talaga yung bun niya eh. Malambot eh.
Tsaka in fairness, it's really a taste of parang comfort food talaga.
Yung talagang hanapin mo siya from time to time.
Ako pag tipong sobrang haba na araw, tas pauwi, tas gusto mo lang na snack.
Quick bite.
While you're on your way home, para sa akin perfect yung Jolly Hotdog.
Saka consistent all the time.
Kahit
ng cheese.
Tsaka kahit anong Jollibee puntahan mo, it's the same.
Yes.
Diba? It's the same Jolly Hotdog that you've grown to love. Pwede na ako maging food vlogger talaga. Isa pang kagat, tas i-announce na namin yung mechanics ng So we have 3 Jollibee Funko Pops over here. Ano mechanics natin? Simple lang. Number 1, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 2, subscribe kayo sa YouTube channel ng Hungry Geeks. Number 3, follow nyo ang Jollibee sa Instagram.
Yep.
Diba? And number 4, leave a comment down below on what you love about the Jolly Hotdog.
Yes.
Diba? So what is it that you love the most about the Jolly Hotdog and Jollibee?
Ako, daming memories yun.
And use the hashtag. Ano yung hashtag natin? May hashtag tayo, di ba? Gamitin nyo lagay nyo yung 3 hashtag na to. Hashtag Todo Toppings, hashtag Todo Sarap, at hashtag Jolly Hotdog. And include your IG handle so it's easy for me to find out, to reach out and contact you. The winners will be drawn and announced on August 11. So that's 2 Sundays from now.
Yes, 2 Sundays.
Okay, so announce namin yung winner. There will be a total of 3 winners. 1 person will get the barong, the 2 other people will get the standard Jollibee. So make sure that you guys are subscribed. Make sure that you follow the mechanics so you get a chance to win. Okay?
Sayang ang opportunity, guys.
Tsaka wala na nagbebenta ng barong.
Wala na. Sold out.
Rare yan, guys. Rare, okay? So at this point, we just want to thank you, Jollibee, for sending over this amazing, stunning Jollibee Mystery Box.
And it's really fun. As in, especially the disposable camera. Nostalgic siya.
And as a marketing person, PR person myself, I just have to say, this is a brilliant idea.
Yes.
Sana Jollibee magpadala pa kayo. Pwede mo rin kami padala ng Chicken Joy Mystery Box. No?
Ano kaya?
Tsaka Burger Steak Mystery Box. Tsaka tumatanggap din kami ng ano pa may mga French fries.
French fries mystery box.
Oy, masarap ngayon pag Kasi actually baliktad ako eh. Di ba usually ang tao, pag umuulan, gusto sopas. Or gusto soup.
Sumunod yung Jolly fries.
Pwede rin. Pero ako kasi pag umuulan, baliktad ako. Alam mo ano gusto ko? Ice cream. Weird, no? So Jollibee, baka naman. Baka
Jolly
gusto
Twirl.
Jolly Twirl. Ay, pero matutunaw yung box. But anyway, guys, that's it for now. Please make sure that you follow the mechanics. Shout out again. Thank you, Jollibee, for putting this together for us. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. To everybody watching, that's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom, boom.